Melissa vlog ya kan?
Vlog di men. Hi, hello.
It's like, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, that's go, my mates. Anata. So today I am at Tato's house. It's Friday. I'm at Tato's house. Tato is in the kitchen.
Sunny Bonani.
She's doing the dishes and I'm just entertainment for the dishes. I'm not helping. I'm tired. I'm too tired. Anyways, so agenda for the day. Agenda for the day. I'm going to go fetch my dog from where I'm getting it. I don't know. And I'm going to fetch it with my dad. So I'm just waiting for my dad now. And we're going to go fetch the dog and buy it food and all that. And then I'm gonna have a dog. And then Saturday, Tato, Tuto's man's,
My means.
Tato's man's, my single self. We're all going out for my birthday. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Let me just put you guys over here. Ashama fu asangana kwetu. Oh. Tumedi out katela ha.
Yo. Yaka yo.
Dan kanu is for sure what?
No.
Okay. We're still figuring. Okay. So we're still figuring out the details for tomorrow, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun time, good time, and a fun time again. Yes, yes, sir. Let's call people now because we have people to call. Vlog. Meet Charlie. Oh my gosh. He's a bull mastiff. Oh my gosh.
The British Prime Minister
He
Boris
is so
Johnson
cute.
facing renewed calls for his resignation.
You see his fur, it's like
Following
this
the
at night,
Conservatives'
like in the
loss of
light.
2 parliamentary
But he's actually
by-elections
black
and the departure
normally.
of the party chairman.
So this is the look, baby. So I'm at the nice one, you be. What's up at the nice one, you be? Matinasi. Matinasi. Matinasi, how do you always? Matinasi. Matinasi. What's up? What's up, guys? So, I hope you guys are happy that you saw Charlie last night. And I did my nails. Damn it. I'm using my phone, so I don't know if it's like showing properly, but yeah. Anyway, so okay. So today's Saturday. It's the big day. It's actually around, I don't know the time because I'm placing my phone on. Okay, let me just do this. It's currently 10:29, and the day is about to start. So what I'm going to do? It's 10:29. Oh. Okay, but anyways, I haven't even showered, so that's the first thing on the agenda, showering. And today I'm gonna put a little bit of effort into my look, so I might put on some makeup. Sorry about that. I haven't showered. I might put on some makeup, a little bit of makeup. I might put on my wig, yeah, and all that. So, anyways, Right now I'm importing my little sister's pictures from my laptop into my phone. It's my little sister's birthday today. She's turning 8. A little bit annoying, but you know, we still have so much love for her. And yeah, so after I shower, I need to get ready, obviously. I'm not going to be wearing the outfit that I'm going to be wearing later on today. I'm just going to wear like a weird, simple outfit. Ooh. Because I'm going to go see Charlie. I'm taking a bed for Charlie, and I'm going to buy a blanket for Charlie. And I'm going to buy some shampoo for Charlie. Oh my gosh. And I want to buy some toys, but it's not payday yet. So let's let's just calm down. But anyways, that's what I want to do for him. And then I'm gonna all take it, and I have to take some nail stuff for Tato. Tato broke like 2 of her nails, and like that's a tragedy on this kind of day. So I'm gonna take that for her, and I'm gonna have so much shit. And then I'm gonna go to my dad's house, dump all of Charlie's stuff there, and then actually I might need to buy something for my little sister before I leave. And then I'm gonna go to my dad's house, see Charlie, wash Charlie, make sure Charlie's fine, like settled, you know, see him, play with him for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go fetch Tato to Tato's nail. It's just 2 nails, so it won't take too long. And then that's when things are starting. That's things that Sanganisi. Okay. Anyway, so I need to go take a shit right now because yeah, it's in the morning. It's early in the morning and cycle. Oh my gosh, guys, Charlie is so spoiled. So I got him a blanket and a comb. I mean a brush or whatever you call it for a dog. Pet brush, yes. And then I got him, I don't know where the snack is, but I got him a cow hoof snack. Yeah, let me try and show it to you. Vlog squad. Nah. I seen try to the landscape. Oh wow. She broke girls worldwide. Anyways, vlog squad. I just picked up Tato Letuto. We are, I don't know where we're headed. We're just withdrawing money because broke girls worldwide are undercover rich girls. Anyway, so we're about to get drunk. Yeah. Super excited. Yeah. It's golden hour, bitch. I can get yourself, yeah. Yeah, golden hour. It's golden fucking hour.
Golden hour, Jim.
Sangala motwaka le na clemons. Eh. In the party zone, I'm wearing all white. Actually, I haven't shown you guys. I'm officially wearing rags by Bootsy. Bum, 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 bum. Here, get the pants. And I give thrift. It's thrifted. Give me. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my sweatpants. Me. What's this? I forgot to raise the pencil vibes. But what's this, motherfucker? What's this? It's calling rich girls worldwide. What is it?
Rich girls worldwide.
Who make their own fucking clothes? Tuto kwa tilonye. What lang? What a chat. Vlog squad.
Yo, what's popping, Vlog Squad? As you can see, I'm a bit crusty and shit, but it's okay. Next time we're gonna be fire and be on top of the game. Yeah, you know, the girl toodles with the gap. Yeah.
You said next time we're gonna be finna fire.
Finna fire.
Next time we're gonna be finna fire.
Next time. Oh, fuck. Next time I'm gonna be. Yeah, I'm finna.
You finna be fire.
I'm finna be fire.
Go kuwe.
Yeah.
Apple. Hi, Lucio.
Liter. 1
1.5.
Oscar ka ginger. So, he's an apple. Okay.
It's a mention.
If but it,
Oh, I know I'm mocha.
yes,
So what am I
this lots. Yes.
Kaburia zwana kile cha
I get to anything.
kima musu.
Go on.
So?
So na neka focus wa mo so vidamo. Ska shake a holo ska kwa la speaker ra ke sena mo.
Zeke.
Hana mo mobile ke se.
Momo.
Jela ha no go go shu. Ha ka o se kwa la intentionally che. O ba ja langa masho.
Tamunka video
O
ya
tsa ke na muni tsena za dingile.
tsenga tangakari buna to. Sina muni senyani jira di munate.
Ni tsai sa hlowa tso.
Nga opala ho lutsho.
A thato tilo nka video e ka. I don't understand how a mall can be so noisy, but we're going to go get food. You know, I'm a bit tipsy, that's why I can vlog in a mall and speak English. Yeah. We about to eat. Ciao. Hungry bitches. Tata got wings only. I got chips. I'm filling up so nicely, and this is the perfect foundation for this alcohol. So full. I don't know, man's are coming. Mutu I like you can touch it. Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Charlie. Good boy. Hello. Charlie. Good boy. Come. Charlie, come in. Sit. Sit, Charlie. Good boy. Okay guys, hello. Anyway, so it's currently Thursday and I've just finished my daily visits to see Charlie. And I've just seen Charlie, and when we first got to him on Friday, it was like he was so scared and you know, like all that. And today he's like so energetic and his personality is finally coming out. So I'm very happy about that. I'm very pleased, and yeah, so it's great because he was like shaking. I think he even peed in the car on Friday when we got him, but it was like today, like it's not like that same dog. It's so cute. Anyways, though, yeah, I'm so thankful that I have a dog. It's weird. I don't know. I'm not gonna cry. No, that was a one-time thing. I was turning 23. You know, the elderly cry sometimes. But anyways, so the thing is with Charlie, what was I gonna say? Yo, I even forgot. That's a sign that I was talking unnecessary something. But anyways, he's just like a really, really great dog. Oh, I was saying I'm thankful for having a dog in my life because it brings me joy. Like I've been seeing it daily and it just makes me so happy. Like when I go see it, when I come back, I just feel so fulfilled. And I think it's gonna be a great source of exercise. Yeah. Because today I ran with it and it was just so nice. So I'm probably gonna get a little like collar with a little walking, I don't know what that is called, a walking rope. I don't know. I'm gonna get a collar. I should know this, but I forgot. I probably don't even know. But anyways, I'm gonna get it that, and we're gonna run for a bit, Charlie and I. Maybe even go on walks a bit because he now listens to me. I was watching a few YouTube videos on like dog training and all that, and he listens to me. I can now get his attention, and he used to like do this thing where when we opened up for him, he would go somewhere. But now when I say no, don't go there, he literally doesn't. He comes to me. But anyways, yeah, I'm very thankful for that. So I'm just gonna do that. But anyways, I came on here to close the vlog for this week. I came to close it because I've been getting into this really bad habit of not closing vlogs, and then I'm just like, I'll just put like an end card at the end. So today I'm here to tell you guys that I'm so shiny all the time. It's because I use Vaseline, guys, and sunscreen. Sunscreen now, but anyways, so what I'm gonna say though is thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I will see you guys again in next week's video, which I'm starting like tomorrow. Anyway, so I might go get pizza tomorrow on a date, I guess. This is shit I don't like talking about on my YouTube channel, but the whole point is talking about it. So yeah, so I think, anyways, bye. I'm gonna go get pizza tomorrow with someone special to me, and yeah, very special. Gone girl worldwide. Guys, why am I so beautiful? Like in my vlogs, I was watching my vlogs and I was just like, skin is skinning, beauty is agreeing. Like what else? Like I couldn't be happier. Dog is dogging. Okay, this is exactly why I sometimes procrastinate outros, because I end up talking too much. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. Thank you. I might even join the gym. I saw the equipment coming in today. Girl is like right here. At the beginning of the year, girlie was here, but right now girl is right here. She got her shit like okay, anyway, so thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you in the next vlog, and I love you so much. I still look cute.